ហើយមកបងឥឡូវខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើតែពងតែចេញដំណើរទៅភ្នំពេញហើយបងក៏ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំត្រូវចេញតាំងពីម្សុំមិញចេញទៅតាំងពីម្សុំមិញប៉ុន្តែមិត្តភ័ក្តិរបស់ប៉ាដែលជួយប៉ាពេលបើក Temple Bar ដំបងបងក៏មកលេងម្សុំមិញទៅនៅជូនគាត់ដើរលេងម្សុំមិញសិនញ៉ាំអីជាមួយគាត់ញ៉ាំអីជាមួយគ្នា so ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំកំពុងចេញដំណើរទៅភ្នំពេញវិញហើយបង so ចាំខ្ញុំថតសកម្មភាព Verta ពេលគាត់គេឲ្យបងមើលឮថាទៅ Walk Street ណាអូយ៉ាទៅ Walk Street ដែរបងអាទិត្យក្រោយថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ទៅខ្ញុំនឹងទៅ Walk Street វិញហើយបង come back ចាំជួបគ្នានៅ Walk Street បងខ្ញុំនឹងទៅ Walk Street ម្ដងទៀតគឺម៉ោង 7 ទៅដល់ហើយបងគឺទីតាំងគឺនៅម្ដុំខុយបងដឹងថាខុយនៅ Walk Street នៅណាគឺនៅចិត្តមុខវាំងបងចុះបងនៅកន្លែងដើរទៅវាំងហើយនឹងឃើញខុយនៅនឹងខ្ញុំនៅនឹងឯងបងខ្ញុំឈរតែមើលកន្លែង so see you guys Prasad Tagubay Prasad Pravihir was built by the hands, the sweat, and the strength of the Khmer people. Stone by stone, generation after generation, our ancestors dedicated their lives to building it. Hundreds of years of labor and sacrifice are caved into its walls. You were not there when their hands bled. You did not carry those stones under the burning sun. You did not spend nights and lifetimes building it, so how can you stand here today and call it yours? How dare you destroy what you never built? Why destroy what was born from sweat and tears, day and night of dedication? Temples are not just stone. It is history, it is identity, and it is the spirit of the Cambodian people. When you can't take what's not yours, you choose to destroy it, but you will never erase the truth. Our ancestors built it, and it will always belong to Cambodia. We want peace, but we will not stay silent when our history is being harmed. We want our children to learn, not run in fear, and we want our elders to rest, not cry over destroyed history. Please respect our past, protect what was never yours to take. Prasad Pravihir and Prasad Tagubay stands as a legacy of the Khmer civilization yesterday, today, and forever. តែមួយថ្ងៃនេះផ្លាញ់មកទិញបន្លែចឹង Oh, I can't listen. តោះចាប់អាសាក់ហើយថ្ងៃនេះ Verta មកទិញបន្លែសម្រាប់អីគេ Onion boil Seafood boil មកបងឃើញគេល្បី Seafood boil Verta ដេកឃ្លានពេលយប់ಸೊថ្ងៃនេះធ្វើឲ្យក្រុមគ្រួសារសាម្ដង Want toមើលថ្ងៃវាអត់ No fail ឬអត់ fail ពីព្រោះលើកទី1ហ្នឹងបង Potato are we going to put small potato How about potato I don't want this potatoes How មកបងចឹងថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹង Verta នឹងទៅ Walk Street បងម៉ោង 7 គឺទៅដល់ហើយទីតាំងនៅមកខុយនៅចិត្តវាំងបងហ្នឹងហើយបងសូមចាំជួបគ្នានៅហ្នឹងឯងខ្ញុំនឹង Verta បានត្រៀមចំបទជាច្រើនហើយ content ដើម្បីលេងជាមួយបងយ៉ាចូលបងកុំភ្លេចជួបគ្នានៅហ្នឹងខ្ញុំទៅដល់ម៉ោង 7 បងទីតាំងនៅមកខុយយ៉ាកុំភ្លេចជួបគ្នា